PNC SpendWise Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your credit card could quietly train you to spend smarter, avoid late fees, and actually protect your financial future without you even realizing it? That might sound too good to be true, but that is exactly the promise behind the PNC SpendWise credit card. Most people get this wrong, but here is why. They assume this card is just another basic starter card with nothing special to offer. The surprising truth about the PNC SpendWise is that it is built less like a flashy rewards card and more like a financial coach that follows you everywhere you go. In today's deep dive, you are going to learn exactly how the PNC SpendWise works, who it is really for, what you actually gain, what you give up, and whether this card deserves a place in your wallet in 2025. Let's start with the core idea behind this card. The SpendWise card is designed for people who want structure, simplicity, and strong credit habits more than they want travel points or cashback categories. It is built around discipline. It focuses on helping cardholders avoid debt, avoid missed payments, and build long-term financial stability. Right away, this sets it apart from flashy cards that push spending with big bonuses and complicated reward systems. Now let's talk about what you actually get. The PNC SpendWise credit card has no annual fee. That alone makes it very appealing for anyone who wants a long-term card without worrying about recurring costs. It comes with a long introductory 0% APR period on purchases and balance transfers, which can be extremely helpful if you are paying off existing debt or making a large purchase and want time to pay it down without interest. After the intro period ends, the card moves to a variable APR based on your credit profile. Now let's talk about the unique features that make SpendWise different. The first is the automatic late fee protection. If you accidentally miss a payment, the card waives your first late fee. This is a safety net that protects your wallet and your credit score. Second is its payment flexibility tools. You can choose to change your payment due date to match your pay cycle, which helps you avoid late payments. Third is real-time alerts. The card sends notifications for purchases, balances, due dates, and payment confirmations, keeping you constantly aware of your spending. Fourth is the ability to set spending limits. You can place personal limits on how much you spend each month, which is a powerful tool for budgeting and discipline. Most people do not realize how valuable this is until they see how much money it can save them from impulse spending. Now let's talk about rewards, because this is where expectations must be realistic. The PNC SpendWise card is not a rewards powerhouse. You will not earn high cash back or travel points. Instead, you get a very small cashback rate on purchases. This is intentional. PNC designed this card to encourage responsible use rather than high spending. Now let's look at real-world examples. Imagine you are someone rebuilding credit after mistakes. This card gives you breathing room with 0% APR, safety nets against late fees, and constant reminders to stay on track. Imagine you are a student who just got your first job. This card can help you learn how to budget, avoid debt, and build credit safely. Imagine you are someone who wants a simple card that does not push you into overspending. This card fits that role perfectly. Now let's talk about who should not get this card. If you are a heavy traveler who wants lounge access, airline miles, and hotel perks, this card will feel boring. If you are a rewards maximizer who wants to earn big cash back percentages, this card will not satisfy you. If you already have excellent discipline and want premium benefits, there are better options. Now let's talk about security and protection. The card comes with fraud monitoring, zero liability protection, and digital wallet compatibility. You can use it with mobile pay systems, making it easy and secure for everyday use. Now let's talk about credit score impact. Because this card encourages low balances, on-time payments, and controlled spending, it can be an excellent tool for building or rebuilding credit. Now let's answer the big question. Is the PNC SpendWise credit card worth it in 2025? If you want a card that teaches discipline, protects you from common mistakes, and gives you tools to manage your spending, then yes, this card is absolutely worth it. If you want flashy rewards and luxury perks, then this is not the right card for you. Here is the surprising truth about the PNC SpendWise. It is not exciting, but it is powerful. It is a quiet financial partner that works in the background to help you stay out of debt, avoid penalties, and build strong credit habits. And sometimes, that is exactly what you need. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest credit card reviews that help you make smarter money decisions. Your future financial self will thank you.